esthetician. I've been one for about 5 years. I created this video to show people when to incorporate which products. So many times we buy all these products and we don't know when to use them. So coming up shortly, I'll be showing you in which steps to use which product. This is not a video about the products in detail. It's more so about the steps. So this tutorial is more so about skincare routine that you would do like at the end of the week. This is not like a everyday type thing because child, ain't nobody got time for all those steps every single day. So enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I do want to add that near the end, I forgot to put you need SPF, girl. I don't care, you know, black, don't matter. You need a little SPF at the end. So I did forget that step. But if you're going to bed, you don't really need to add SPF into it. Now in the morning, yeah, girl. Yes, add it. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to do our first cleanse. Once we get our cleanser onto our face, we're going to go ahead and scrub gently in an upward circular motion, and then go ahead and rinse that off after about a minute or 30 seconds to a minute. And then once that's off, we're going to go ahead and prepare for our second cleanse. Once our second cleanse is going, this is like a necessary step. Like, trust me, like, especially if you wear makeup or you've been out all day, it's gonna pretty much catch whatever your first cleanse didn't catch. And we need that. Like, we really need that because you don't want a dirty face. You just don't want a dirty face. We're gonna pat dry and don't rub, girl, don't rub. And then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to exfoliate. So this is a exfoliator by Bliss. It's like some type of fruit enzyme jelly exfoliator. I don't really care for it, to be honest, because I'm just not used to the consistency. However, it works. It gets the job done. It's very gentle, especially if you have like sensitive skin. So I can have sensitive skin depending on the time of month. We ladies know. Okay, now once we get a good scrub in, a good massage in for our exfoliator, we're gonna go ahead and rinse that off and pat our face dry. This is gonna really get that layer of dead skin off that we need to remove in order to move into our next step, which is extractions, my favorite pimple popping part. So first, I like to attack my forehead. That's like my main go-to. You know, if you get pimples in your forehead, it's, you know, said to be due to stress and whatever the case may be. And then I go down around my mouth. These are like just my problem areas. And then I'll go to, after I'm done with my chin and around my mouth area, I'll go ahead and hit up that nose or whatever. And you just have to be gentle with this too, because an extraction tool can really mess your whole life up, like if you're not careful, and you'll have a bunch of dark spots and hyperpigmentation from you just going a little too hard. So it's just a little too hard with it. So you gotta kind of practice with it, and you gotta know what you're doing before you can really go in with an extraction tool. But if you learn how to do it, it's a game changer. It catches what that paper towel not gonna catch, period. And then we're gonna go ahead and tone our skin just to get that pH balance back neutralized. And it's an extra cleanse as well. Okay, so here is one of my favorite parts, using my facial serum from my brand Supple Beauty. We're gonna go ahead and pat that into my skin. I like to do this under a mask. It's gonna just get deeper into that skin, and that mask is gonna dry that serum right into that skin, honey. And then go ahead and apply your mask. You don't need a lot. That's it. That's it. We got, sometimes, these products can be expensive. So, you really don't need a lot. You really don't. So here's my steam. I'll go ahead and do a little steam for about 10 minutes. I usually do the steam actually during my exfoliating process, but girl, I forgot that step during my exfoliating, because that's going to help open up those pores for your extractions. But I just simply relied completely on my exfoliator at that moment and my extraction tool. But I see people using a steamer during this process as well, so it works. It really does work. 10 minutes, give it 10 minutes, and we're going to get ready to go ahead and rinse it off. I don't like to keep it on for longer than its recommended time, because you don't want any type of allergic reaction. You don't want your face dried out, because you're just doing too much. You're doing too much. We're going to go ahead and pat our face dry again. You see that supple, soft, smooth, clear skin. And then I go right back around with my Supple Beauty Serum. And I'm going to go ahead and pat that and press that into my skin. Don't go ahead and don't rub that oil all over your face, because it's just going to slip and slide, girl. It's going to slip and slide, and it's not going to penetrate anything. So go ahead and pat that in. Just a little finisher with a little steamer. Just for the little extra touch. It's not necessary. We at the end, girl. It's almost time to go to bed or do whatever else you got to do for the rest of the day. But yeah, I just love this steam, and it's new. I got it for Christmas. It was on my wish list, and I was just going steam crazy. So yeah, that's that with that. So after I went ahead and did a last little steam, I'm going to go ahead and grab my moisturizer. You really don't need a lot. You need a dab of that too. That's it. And then I'm going to go ahead and massage that into my skin for that finishing touch. We're going to go upward. We got to go up, because, honey, don't pull down, because unless you want wrinkles and everything like that, we don't need that. So we're just going to go ahead and upward motion and finish off with that moisturizer. My little happy dance, because I'm done. Almost done. So we're going to pull this hair down a little bit. Just get a good feel of what sis just did. Okay. Period. All right. So I'm coming back because I forgot to do my lip scrub. So this is by Lush. I just got the little chocolate lip scrub, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to scrub my lips, just to exfoliate that little dead layer of skin that developed. We need supple lips to juicy lips. That's it. Bye.